Right, so here we've got our Rusty Lee in-vehicle tested. So it's a bit better than a pool tested, because they took a van chassis, fitted Rusty's bed with Rusty's fitting kit, and then tested the whole lot actually in a van rather than just strapped to the bench. And this one's been trimmed in real leather, and this is real wool, this tartan pattern, so it's quite a nice finish on this one. I'll just show you how it works. So just gather up some seat belt, pull the lever across, pull the bed out, and then to put it away, it's got a gas strut on here, so you just literally get it started, and then it just puts itself away, and make sure the lever's all the way across. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, then please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear any comments and feedback that you've got, and don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and any more info that you need, we're at basecampers.com.